Hello everyone, this is Jack from High-End Sanding Machine, and today we are going to introduce the series of our sanding machine from the planer sanding machine to paint sanding or primer sanding machine, and also the sanding lines. Okay, this is our planer sanding machine. This machine is a combination of the spiral cutters and two sanding frames. So it is most suitable for the very big thickness difference or very ununiform thickness, which can give us a very big amount sanding works. Mainly it is used for the solid wood, like the edge gluing panels, especially it got glue lines, which will consume a lot of sanding belts. So we use helical spiral cutters to make a very big amount planing work to make it flat first, and then use the two sanding frame to give it a very good polishing and good finish. Okay, let us open and see the system inside. And this is the helical spiral cutters, which is very big diameters and 1.3 meter longs to give a very big difference thickness planing work. It can each time it can do maximum 3 millimeter planing works. And after the cutter block, we go to the second sanding frame. The third frame, the first roller, we use very hard rubbers to give us very powerful thickness sanding for the calibration works. And second roller, you can see it is a little bit soft, so it can give us a very good polishing works. And also this rubber rollers combine the graphic sanding pad. These two units, we call it RP system. R is for rollers, P is for the graphic sanding pad. And if you want to change the sanding pad, you can take it off from here. The combination of rollers and graphic sanding pad, which give us a very good, very fine detail polishing works. So from the cutter block to the equal to 100 and 120 degree sanding paper effect. So the second sanding frame, we can directly jump to 180. And for the third sanding frame, we can directly come to 240 and even 300 to give a little bit high glossy effect. So this machine both can do very big different thickness calibration works, thickness sanding works, and also can give us a very good finish sanding works, polishing works. Okay, you can see here is a quick lock systems for the sanding frame. If we want to change the sanding papers, we can open this, then take it off. Then we pull it and let the frame lower down. Then okay, the same way, if we change a sanding belt, same like this, to put it in and then lock it. tighten the quick lock systems and then push it to tighten the sanding papers. Then we finish a change of sanding belts. Our sanding machine got a very professional micro adjustment systems. You can see from here, it is from 36 until 600 degree sanding papers. The different degree sanding papers got different thickness. So we use this micro adjustment systems to compensate the different thickness of the sanding belts. The macro adjustment for this machine design, we use a eccentric designed spindle. This spindle is fixed, not rotate with the sanding rollers. When we running these rollers, the spindle not running along with the rollers. So the eccentric design systems, when we want to adjust the height a little bit upper or lower, we can just rotate it a little, then we can achieve the micro adjustment. If we change the sanding paper, we can slightly adjust it. And then lock it. This kind of system is very easy to lock because we don't need too much tighten force to fix the stable. So these systems can work lifelong. This machine we equipped with very big power, heavy duty motors. The first one is 22 kW motors, and the second one is 30 kilowatt. The third one also 22 kilowatt. And after the sanding works, we got this brush cleaning systems. So after sanding the materials, we got some wood dust on the surface. So this brush sanding head will well clean the materials, especially for the painting work. The control system for the sanding machine is very easy. From here you can see this is the start and stop of each sanding shaft. This is for the spiral cutters. Maybe this is the sanding rollers. So start and stop. This is the 3 sanding frame. And here we set the thickness. For example, 25 millimeters, we just put 25 millimeters and then start for the thickness setting. And here is the start and stop for the brush cleaning spindles. And this is for the micro adjust and micro down of the feeding tables to manually, electrically adjust the sanding thickness. And here we got Germany. This is from Bosch. This is the speed converting systems to adjust the feeding speed